Guys, I'm in a goat farm. Look at that. These are all goats. Look at it. He eating the camera. Look at these little babies. Why are you eating my camera? Hmm? Hmm? This one is so cute, isn't it? Oh, yeah, look at that, guys. Look how many goats. It's the first time I see so much goat in my whole life. I never see so much goat before.
Yeah, these ones are all pregnant. So
Oh, look how big the ram is, man. Look at this one. Look like a sheep. Like sheep. Guys, I'm coming. Don't. Where are you running? Don't run. Look at him. Oh my God, this is sweet. Guys, they try to eat my clothes. Look at these things. Look how beautiful they are. These beautiful goats. Guy, look at that. Awesome, man. Oh God. They are pretty. Look at this round. They try to eat my phone. They want to eat. Look at that. Oh my God, you guys are crazy. Look at this. So these ones are they're pregnant.
you see this one? This tan one? We call this one Goonie. Look at his face, it's all twisted.
So that basically know that she had about 2 babies.
Look at her face. Yeah, these ones already have babies, but they look like they're not having them.
So when you're gonna those are they're having milk now though.
Yep, they got milk. See the big udder?
Yeah.
Hey, we can go down here and see the milking if you want.
Oh my God! Really, guys?
So they come in and eat it, right? And Scroggy pushes them up.
Yeah.
And then they come on this rotator and they push.
Wow. Oh my God! Look at this guy. This is a milk. Oh my God! This is crazy. So how many goes on it at a time?
On this at a time, we do 70.
Holy
Yeah, so they go.
wow! This is awesome, man. And look how many milk coming out of their breasts. Holy shoes!
And then they go get off and down and go back to the tent.
So why they put that? Oh, why they look?
Oh, we can't milk that one. I'm on that side though.
Oh, he doesn't have no milk. And that one too. Ah, guys, look. I can touch the goat breast. Look at that. Oh my god. Wow, it's so soft. Oh man, this is. Look at. Guys, look at that.
And then it goes down in the ear.
Yeah?
Up it is.
Oh my god. Oh, this one doesn't have none
That
either.
one's done now. So it comes
Guys,
off of it. You just fall off.
look at that.
I've never helped milk it.
I would love to do this.
Okay.
So the guys don't do it regular?
No, I milk every day. Twice.
Huh?
Twice a day.
Oh my god. You don't have no more milk.
No.
Also, you program it from here. What?
My brother and our friend here
Yeah?
like milk, and then they put the milk in on.
Oh my god. Guys, look at that. The milk is how old.
It hooks up into this. The wall stuff that goes through.
Look at the pump. Look how the pump is. It's just like a woman, when the woman pregnant and they pump in the same type of pump.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my god. Look at that. Look how many milk coming out, man. She don't like her breast. Oh, that one fell out too. Oh my god. Oh, she kicked it off. Look how many.
Oh, that's
So that's what. That's.
I've pretty much always like
Oh, so you reverse now.
I got stuck, yeah.
Oh.
One day I was helping Wanda.
Wow.
Girl got stuck in like a finger. Oh yeah. Half his body was crushed, and then I realized that.
Oh my god. This one don't have no more either.
Yeah. If they died like that? Oh god.
I
Or
would.
even over there on the ground where there's deep much. I don't want to go from the rig up in there. I got. Well, just yeah, we have another one of these that feeds the goats too.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Wow.
she's the milk room.
This is interesting, man. This is interesting.
So when they're coming up,
Look
when
how,
we're done milking, we stop right here.
look how big this
We hit this plate up. And pumps all the milk out.
one time.
Yeah, brings you over here.
Wow. Guys, we are going into the milk room. Look, Dad, look at that. Oh, wow. So it processes here.
Yeah, so the milk jug comes in, hooks the hose through here.
And connect it to that. And,
Yeah.
wow, that one is leaking.
Please do seal.
Wow. This is a good experience, man.
Yeah. They can go through the nursery
Yeah.
too.
Guys, look at the tank. Look how big it is. Oh my god. This is nice. Hold on there. Guys, look at these are all the milking goats. Look at that. I never see so much goat in my whole life. Jesus. Wow. Never see so much goat in my life. Oh man.
There's more. Much more.
Come on, help on the farm. Like do just man. So at this time, how many goats do you have here right now?
1,500.
Holy shit! Guys, look at this. My daughter would go crazy. She loves animals. Oh my god! Look how black that was. Guys, look at that. Man! Hey, mommy. Yeah, okay.
Getting the white girl.
Right,
Getting
right.
the Walk up on it, and it scans. You see the green leg bands on it?
Okay.
So it scans them with how much milk they get. And then it
Oh.
gives them the right amount of food. So each goat
Each goat.
maximize how much they eat, how much milk they produce.
Wow. Oh. Why are you coughing? So at one time, how long does it take for them to, how early do you do the feeding? Like your milking, sorry.
The milking we start at 5 a.m. and then to afternoon we start at 4.
Every day.
Yeah, 3 hours for all the dogs.
Wow. So like when your brother finish now, what time does he finish?
We'll be out of the barn by about 8 probably.
Wow.
Because he'll go with the skid steer there and then he'll feed the goats.
Goats.
Yeah.
But you guys don't let them out from here though, no?
No. We let them out. You gotta keep track of them out certain times.
Certain times.
Oh,
Okay. Wow. This is a learning experience, man. Yeah? Guys, look at this. These goats are pretty, man. Nice. These are all milking goats, guys. Oh, look at that one here. They have so much milk he can hardly move. Wow, they must be saying what this guy is doing. Because they don't fight though.
Oh, that's the fight.
Yeah,
Big
because
ones there, those big ones,
yeah, he will fight for territory because he want all the girls.
Oh, yeah. At the farm here, it's about one guy to 60
To
girls.
60 girls.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Man, this is awesome. Ah, this munch, guys, look. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. Sorry I didn't get to come here in it. You should bring me here in the summer, man. I would spend a long time in that place. Oh my god. So where you guys go get this feed?
They bring it here in a big truck.
Yeah? Wow. Look at it, guys. And there's still more over there. those are all the kitties. Oh my God! Look at these guys. Look at the little kitties. Oh man! Wow! Hey! Hey! Look at. Oh my God! Look at that guy. He's eating my hand. Oh my! You're eating my hand? No, leave my deer alone. Guys, look at that. Oh my God!
That's what they drink, all the milk.
Yeah?
So it goes into there, and then it makes
And it melts through there.
It makes it in the ear.
Wow!
Fresh milk all the time.
So you guys mix it.
Well, we don't have to. This does it on its own.
Oh,
And then
okay.
it goes through these lines here, and then the milk. Right?
What?
Yeah.
Guys, look at the milk for the goats. So how old are these ones? So what happened to their how they got that thing on their mouth?
Yeah, it's like cold sores.
Yeah?
It's called horse.
Okay.
There's no cure
But
for it,
but it drops off after a while though. Oh yeah.
It'll go away. You just keep everything clean, like
Yeah.
all what they drink out of and stuff. But
Wow. This is nice. Man. But like we know, they're not allergic to pee. They're not allergic to the Okay. Wow. At least in here.
it'd be nice.
Wow, this is nice.
Yeah, that's basically the farm.
Yeah.
You need to wash it.
This is awesome, guys. So when they get bigger, you let them into these.
Well, yeah, we'll have so many goats in here, babies, that each pen would be filled with goats. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Then they move to the bigger barn once they're big enough.
You just power wash those? Yeah, you gotta power wash all of that so you can clean and then
Put down in there.
wash it. What's in the barn?
Wow. Wow. This is a lot of work.
Yeah.
Goat farm is a lot of work.
Farm life, buddy.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Jeez.
If you want to give up on farming, it's up there.
Yeah. Guys, they have all the moves up here.
Yeah.
Guy, this is awesome, I'm telling you. This is a great experience, man. I'm telling you the truth. Oh yeah, I love this.
You have to bring your daughter next time.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna bring her, man.
Yeah.
Trust me, she loves the farm.
And then next thing we'll put all the manure and clean the pens. Clean the
So wait,
so all the shit goes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
so that means I can come get some manure to put on my garden.
Have some right there. I'll dump it in the back of your truck.
Oh my God! Shit. Oh my God! Look at the farm. What's the name of the farm?
Doctor's family.
Dockers.
Yeah.